The puppet story is starting in 0 seconds. Now let's begin to puppet show. Once upon a time there was one house named Miggy, and in that house there was a one girl, and that girl decided to go in aeroplane. Then the granny came with her make gingerbread man. Then the girl said, Granny, can I go to airplane? Yes, we'll go Goa. Yay! Then girl says, yes, thank you, Granny. Then Granny goes into the car and go to airport. Then they come to airport, and then in airport they go inside the aeroplane and park again. And the airplane flies much longer than before. Then the aeroplane rides 1,000 kilometers. And then one cow, the girl see one cow. Cow said, hello, I want to come with you. You can come next time. Yes. Then cheetah came. Then cheetah said, hello, I want you to come. No, you can come next time. The turtle said, then that girl see one turtle. The turtle said, hello, and go with you. You can go next time. Then the horse came. And the horse said, hello, I want to go with you. You can come next time. The little girl said. And next, the fox came. And the fox said, I want to eat you. No, you want to come with me? Yes, I want to come. And the girl said, I will get you next time. Bye. Then they go happily in the Goa and place lot of sand, water, and so much sand castle. They make sand castle and they both jump in the round.
Done?
The end.
Okay. So what was the name of your story?
The girl and the granny.
Okay, nice.